Okay, so before I started this video, I used this Nip and Fab Hydrate Plumping Serum. It's supposed to like reduce your wrinkles and like fine lines so that your makeup doesn't really sit in it. And then I used my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Now I'm going to be using my Benefit the Porefessional. I'm just putting it in the places where my pores are the worst. I also like to put this where I like get oily because I feel like it gets rid of that, if that makes sense. I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Medium. The shade's a little too dark for me, but I make it work with concealer and by putting it down my neck. I'm so scared to get wrinkles, like trying to avoid it as much as I can. And this stuff is anti-aging, so it's a win-win when you wear it. And it has SPF, so you don't really have to put any on before. I like to just put this on with a brush first and then go over it with a beauty blender because it makes it look flawless. I'm going to be taking my NARS concealer in the shade Vanilla. What I have left of it anyway. Bake a little, nothing too crazy. And my smile line, this is must. Look crazy, but it needs to happen because they crease so bad. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with that as well. And now I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm going to be taking the Kylie Burgundy palette. I'm going to be taking this orange shade up here. I think it's called Penny. I'm putting that in my crease. Oh my god, I forgot how pigmented this is. I'm kind of just going to be placing it where I want first and then blending it out after. I'm gonna wipe this way because I look crazy. And then I'm gonna be taking a clean brush and just blending out the edges. And then I'm gonna be taking some of Burgundy, this middle shade right here, and I'm gonna be putting that a little deeper into my crease. Then on a flat brush, I'm going to be taking this shade, which is called Naked. It's like a champagne color. On the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking a mix of the two. Just a tiny bit. I don't want it to be too intense. So for my Carli bybel palette, I'm going to be taking this nude shade right here, just to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going to be taking my liner. I'm going to be doing a really, really thin line on my upper lash line. Chroma eyelashes. And I'm going to be using Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Now moving on to eyebrows, I'm using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe. I'm first just going to brush through. I like to keep my eyebrows pretty natural. So I just do a line underneath, the line on top, on the end, and then I just blend it through with the spoolie. Moving on to my face, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and putting that on my cheeks. I like to use this as a blush too, like I bring it onto my cheeks and my cheekbones. And also on my temples. Under my jawline. A little on my nose. For highlight, I'm taking my Carli Bybel palette and I'm using this one. I'm just gonna highlight the tip of my nose, my inner corners, my cupid bow a tiny bit, and my cheeks, and my brow bones too. Also, I'm gonna put it above my eyebrows, like the arch right there, just to like glow. Just taking a little bit of this contour on like a small blending brush and contouring my cheeks a little more defined under my lip. My lip looks pouty. I'm just gonna be putting on my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss ever. Okay, so that's it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time.